Hi, welcome to my Halloween house tour. Come on. So I figured I would show you guys my setup for Halloween because I showed you guys my Halloween haul. So I have this super creepy Chucky candy bowl that I got from Spirit last year. He is terrifying. I don't know if I want to put him outside for like the kids. I'm worried they'll just all steal the candy and run away. So I don't know about him. He might just hang out here and continue to creep people out. Then I also have this amazing Mickey candy bowl up here, which of course I paid too much money for and I showed you guys in my little haul. But I love him. I like that he's cheerful. I forgot to take the sticker off of him. Whoops. But he's super cute and I like that we have something cute and cheerful to balance out our spooky Mr. Chucky. But the real good stuff is in the living room, so we're gonna head over there. So over here I have this awesome doily for the table that I got at Spirit. Again, a lot of this is from Spirit. It's just like this perfect little center accent that doesn't get in the way of us eating. And then I have this really cute little bowl from Target. It's mostly empty right now. All the chocolate mysteriously got eaten. I don't know who ate it, but it's really cute and simple, and I like that it will match anything. The best part though is over here on the bar cart. Oh my god. So I have taken so much time and energy on this bar cart. You would not believe. So over here, I have these cute little accents from Target. These were literally $1 a piece. I think I showed that to you guys. They're just cute and I can keep them up through Thanksgiving. I have this really awesome apothecary jar that I got a couple of years ago at Target, I think. But it's cute. It says Bat's Blood. I like that it has a little bit of color and it looks nice next to the Chambord bottle. And then we have my little vampire Goody. He is the first of the hidden Goodies in the apartment. Take a shot every time you see a Goody Tama item in here, honestly. Then on the bottom here, we just have these other cute little apothecary style bottles, and I showed you guys those in the haul. Could they be any more perfect for the bar cart? I don't think so. Then if you come up a little bit, we even have this cute little wood block, which I showed you guys. And then along the side of the wall, because I wanted to have decor from every angle, I put this little Nevermore tombstone, which is also an amazing Target find. Like Target usually has the cutest Halloween decor. Was not super in love this year, but you know. So then we're gonna come over here. So first of all, check out my spooky guy on the wall. I love him. It's like a perfect little accent, and he's technically a mirror, so it really opens up the room, which is what I love. So when you come over here, we have some of my favorite little pieces. So I ordered this awesome Ava Gardner vintage like pinup print. These were called cheesecakes because they were like cheesy and suggestive. So that's Ava dressed as a witch. I love her so much. This burning hot pumpkin candle is a must. And then of course the cutest little jack-o'-lantern Goody. So for those of you taking your shots for every time you see a Goody Tama item, there's shot number 2 for you. So when you come over here, I just have a couple little accents on the couch. So I have that really cute pumpkin pillow, my little plush Mickey that I showed you guys in the haul, and then my awesome jack-o'-lantern Pikachu. That was imported from Japan. I overpaid for it on eBay, like a lot of things that I tend to order on eBay from Japan. I overpay for a lot of it. Over here, I have just a couple things to accent the bookcase. So I have our little Polter Goody. That's number 3, y'all. I love him so much. And then I have this awesome sequined pumpkin, which is another awesome Target find. Oh, these Goody Tamas, by the way, I ordered on a site called Carousel, which is sort of like an eBay-like site that's really popular in Singapore. So that's where all the Halloween Goody Tamas are from. And then the last little guy in here is this tiny little black skull. Excuse me, this black pumpkin. Hello. And he's kind of hard to see in there because it's dark right now, but it just serves as like a cute little bookend for all my stuff. I love this pillow. This was like my find of the season because it's in this classic color palette, and this case unzips so I can use the insert with all kinds of covers. So I love that I kind of got like a little 2-for-1 on this. Then over on the TV stand, we just have a couple of our little spiky pumpkins. I love these. These are an awesome Target find. But yeah, I just love their little holographic spikes, and they're white. So they really match any kind of decor style, which is really nice. And they are super affordable. Target usually comes out with some kind of iteration of these little decorative pumpkins every year, and I love them. So over here on the coffee table, we have another little Goody. This one is a witch. Oh my god, I love this one. And I just like love how perfectly these little accents go with my coffee table books. And then I have another little spiked pumpkin, but this one's black because I thought the black with like the bluish purple holographic spikes contrasted really nicely with my very awesome and overpriced Prada coffee table book. Then over here a little further, we have this really amazing, so this is always here, this little candy dish, it's vintage. But then I just filled it with these little cute pumpkin chocolates from Walgreens. I just thought that they looked cute and colorful, and I'm one of those people that I'm like, look at them, do not eat them, but I love them and I think it's like a cute little touch. So that was the living room. Let's go over to the kitchen and see what's up. Welcome to my kitchen. So over here, we have this awesome apothecary style bottle from Target. I feel like this might actually open properly, but I just, you know, it makes perfect sense in the kitchen, I think, because you'd have like a little bottle like this in your kitchen, I feel. I don't know. I tried to make the decor make sense. Work with me. And then over here next to my little kitty cat guy who is always here, he's so cute, I have another spooky Goody with his little spooky mask and his little fork that apparently is his murder weapon, I suppose. And then if you look behind you, we see a little ghosty guy. He's so cute. I love him. He was literally $1 at Party City. Like, what? We love him. And then this really pretty pumpkin, which I know I was just gushing about to you guys. My little oil slick pink pumpkin. Oh, I love it. And that's it for the kitchen. So why don't we go see the rest of the place? Boo. So this is the bathroom. Nothing special really, but I did incorporate another one of our little spiked pumpkins on the toilet tank just to give a little seasonal flair, but you know, it's kind of hard to decorate a bathroom for the holidays. So that was the bathroom. Let's keep going. Check out the cool mermaid skeleton. So here is the bedroom. So I hung up on the closet door this cute little ghost guy. He is another amazing Party City find. I want to say he was $2.99. I love him. So in the bedroom, I didn't want anything too spooky because I didn't want to wake up in the middle of the night and scare the shit out of myself. So I kept the decor in here pretty tame. So over here on the nightstand, I have just a couple little guys, just, you know, so that the nightstand would still be functional. So I just have this little glass green pumpkin. It's so pretty and looks so great in here. This is another amazing Target find. And then here is another one of our little Halloween Goody Tamas. I love that he is dressed like Jason and he has his little knife, his little butter knife. Like, I literally love him so much. He's so cute. So for the last couple things, like I said, I wanted every little section of the apartment to have a little bit of decor. So over here on the windowsill, I used a couple more of the little decorative pumpkins from Target. I feel like this is a Target ad. It's not, but I wish Target would sponsor me. So these are just really classic cream and gold guys that I thought just looked nice on the sill without adding a bunch of clutter and, of course, not disturbing my beloved crystals. So then my last little guy is my Goody Tama on my dresser, and he, I'm assuming, is like Satan. I'm assuming he's supposed to be like Satan because he has little horns in his wings, but I love him. He's so cute and I feel like he just fits perfectly on my dresser. Alright guys, that was my Halloween home decor house tour. I hope you liked it. I hope you got a little inspiration for Halloween this year, next year, a million years, whatever. For real though, thank you so much for watching. Your support means so much to me. If you liked this video, you can give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, click the bell button because apparently we have to do that now. I don't know. But for real, your support means so much. I could not do this without you guys. Anyway, me and Goody are going to go watch a scary movie. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!